Ching Perry New.
Yeah.
September we met, I could tell by your smile. You hadn't been with a good girl like me in a while. Yeah, you were impressed.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is my uncle. His name is, what's your name?
Crazy.
At di may ka-uncle din na niya. He's single. Any single lady watching out there, please text me private. May siya nula pasal zone. So hey uncle din, he's single niya. We gonna do data for everyone. We can't. Hey uncle din ani. Oh, so hey, my husband is sleeping right now. He's so tired. I'm sorry, baby. Zoo uncle Dona, sahuanah uncle Dona. We're going to zoo. So we're gonna show you guys what we are doing today. We hope it's not raining because as per the weather, it seems like it's gonna rain, but we still wanna check it out and don't wanna cancel our plan. So we are going now. We are on our way. So uncle Dona, ruasu turhanin weather will kan check han lo tama se su lo tura ngai la. Nuam daw hin kam vap mang kan besia chong kan kalnate kan lo mu cheu nga cha hi kan chhungin kapate po na car ina da cha hi kan nui na khala kan chu kan kala kan mo te puan car an da fe ka car pa ni chau em keng kan kal ni my uncle came in our car so we can have our family time in the car, so it's not like he don't have a car. Car na ibebek na kapapon car na ibebek. They all have car but they don't like to drive in the weekdays because they drive whole week. Car tuanin an khalavang hanin weekend sa han ang khalpay law vetrina break mo ni tin khalila car na ibela in khalchwa bel chen tu mangkhan ti vela ni jan ning hoi ngoi chu ni tin na thona nang kalbok se mo ka khamin zot mun bok se impa hang car khal ngai lo mi ti te karon soi fia pa ni chu people used to ask why my husband and everyone don't drive all the time. Mom drive and he doesn't know how to drive like that, so I just explained to them that you guys drive whole week and it's so tiring, so you prefer not to drive in a weekend so we can all go in one car. So poisa po safe shim ni chu week dia car pa kal khan ni tinang kal box ya mo chu bang nya ani oh
So I guess they're not even gonna try and reschedule the fireworks in Arthur this year. There are 4 groups, and then there's one I think in Champaign at the park.
Yeah.
One's in August 23rd or something like that.
this one is peacock our own lai lo ni car bula kan thleng che o. We just arrived. Hi low. And by sunburn how it was. He's Lalza was spraying sunscreen everywhere.
Right there.
That means he's hungry, Eli.
Yeah. The peacock doing that?
You wanna go pet him?
I
He
don't
may
know
eat
where
you.
we go to pay. I
I
don't
think it's over.
look at the white peacock on the fence.
Oh wow.
Isn't he pretty? This is the one that squawks a lot.
Yep, that's Lila.
Wow. What is this?
It's an ostrich.
Ah!
It's an emu.
Emu. Mizotang kashibi. I don't know what it
I guess they're supposed to have really good.
They, that's as close to a dinosaur as that.
Baby, how far? I can dream.
Yeah, you can zoom forever on that thing.
That's a female. The white one is a female.
You sure?
can tell because they have less color. The males and
Guys
the
ready?
bird
Oh, this is
family
peacock too, the white
always
one?
have a lot of color.
Oh, that's Lila.
Do like this. Oh, no.
Oh my god.
Do like this. No, don't.
What do I do?
Do we just go walk around?
Baby, take my picture. Yeah, this is video though. Who? What's that?
It's right here. Wait.
Oh
Don't touch the last thing.
my god.
Oh, you're not looking at me.
What are you looking at? Wildlife puzzle challenge, baby. Is it like a puzzle? You want to do it? What should we do? Like you join together?
Yeah, you put the animals.
Which one is the body? Help me. We need to join. Mom. Which one is the head? They can join more than one. Mom is so good.
It's a good way to make 49 cents.
What? This is the head. But
Is it a puzzle?
I need the head.
So are we chilling in here for a whole hour?
Oh, mom is so good. I don't know where it is. No, it's not. Mom, don't you take the celebrity? It's all done by Mom Julie. I am zero. Wait, Eli, come here. Eli, come here. Hey, come here. Say, I am zero. There. Good job, Nana. Hey, he python. Oh, this is a ball python.
Hey, Torda, they have a bearded dragon.
Yeah, he's a little more mobile than ours, huh?
Ah, hey, long kanuna yang ka. This is the same as Nana had.
This is Jack. Yeah.
Bear dragon.
Oh, look at this guy.
Here. What's downstairs? Nothing. Oh my God. Mom, where is that?
Sugar gliders.
What's this?
That's I don't know. Guys, don't touch the glass.
Just an iguana.
Iguana?
Can we go with that?
I'm not sure if we can go or not. It's raining right now. Rasultlat me right now. It's raining, buddy. What happened?
Oh, this is my face. Looks
Maybe a bus. My mistake, baby. Don't worry. It's raining. Cannot we go, baby?
Yeah.
Ooh, porcupine.
Hey, right there.
There.
What's that?
Oh, there he is.
porcupine.
Oh man, they are mean. If they hit you with one, you're gonna be hurt.
What? Those?
Yeah.
I don't know what those are. What are those, Daddy?
Porcupine.
Porcupine? African porcupine. Okay, big okay. Oh, the uncle then.
It shoots those barbs.
Yeah, I think we have in my home like saku. Auntie ang kaling kasi ice cream gonna eat. Hot doon mo, we gonna eat some ice cream. Something to eat. Cheetah? Baby cheetah, ni mo.
They're bobcats.
Let me see. How is your ice cream, Mama? Is it good?
Yum.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, tortoise. It's moving. Oh, what's that?
Oh, look at all the guys hiding under the shelter. Staying out of the rain, ain't you?
Behe! Say Jingpirinu?
Ching Perry New.
Yeah, that is the best. I don't know, this husband. Worse. Meh! Meh!
Put your nose in corner.
Oh, this is cold. Whoop. Hi, buddy. Did you enjoy today? Tungay Ming, let's say your name.
Queen Chiu. You like Chiu Peep?
Kaming chupuy. True. Sa kid, dear. Sa kid, he's a kilekil. How po? Ano lang how veterinary he. Deer and the goats are used to have mingling time. They have a mingling time. Single ready to mingle. An tiang ve đâu khăn ni he. Kel te ne lo sakhi te pon lo in kom ngai ve ni himo sakhi. Yeah, but a deer and a goat together? That's crazy. Because they're domestic animals and the other one is...
some of your stuff.
They're animals from jungle. Hello, buddy. How are you? I don't think we can feed them. Hey, putar ni, putar.
Yeah.
They say kale in Mizo. Kale. Kale putar. It's old kale. Oh, so Saki Ezunge, Saki. I'm right here with the deer. Oh my god. So happy. This one is a goat putar. Uncle Dan, come here. Uncle Dan, he came here. Because my husband is missing. So he I don't know what it is. It's like a wall. Is this for decoration or?
Yeah, it's a fountain.
And then how about this one? Why did they put for? Maybe for us to do. I do.
Oh, Danny.
Lily, what are you doing, Ellie?
Leaving. I don't think
You're feeding the goat. It's nice. Is it because of the drink?
Yeah.
I want to make my lip blue too.
Oh, yeah.
Ellie.
Okay.
No, I didn't take picture, video. Yeah. Eli and no feet and no peang. He sheep and yeah beram. He black sheep, black sheep. Yeah.
I'll eat your food.
Wow, he bong makti bong. Amy niya kadun.
They're African dogs.
African dog?
Yeah. Not quite a dog, but it's similar.
I don't think they'll give me my 100 names for how is that?
Yeah.
Almost like
Just let them go.
Yo.
I can't take 5.
This way.
We are.
Russell trip. Don't hear the rain is coming. The rain is on the way.
We'll probably meet them at the train station or the wagon. Guys, I think we're gonna come.
Here, you can come over here, please. Right here.
Oh, 220. Okay, I thought it was 2. What is that, Tori?
It's a moose.
Again, you poke shit away. What did you call this one?
Fallow deer?
It's like a deer.
It looks like an elk.
It could be a follow deer.
Sutla tahi buai thak khop pe he ho fika pona branda kan thut to dang zui nang kala ka pat le li te nang kan thua che hi nuam to ti han che thei ta mo ma hen to le nuam to am tal oh feels so good, Daddy. This kind of chair is cool.
Yeah.
That's it.
They're called the glider. Yeah, they're nice.
It was raining, so we're sitting in this kind of chair. It's so cool. It's moving. Very humid too. We walk so many miles, so it's very tiring. Lily.
Not so hard.
Hey. Hey.
Hey.
They say stop teaching. They say stop teaching bad words to your daddy. It's a bad word.
It's not a bad word. That's
No,
what
they
I
mean
am.
the
Yeah.
zongte. That remember
Oh,
zonga?
zonte.
Zonga? I teach
Zonga?
you. Yeah, the monkey.
Oh yeah,
So they say
zonga.
don't teach him bad words.
Get on the
I probably do.
Yeah, but I need to videotape. Hey, he can fit door niya. Tihan kan chuang don. So he ang khal tang amo chanin kan fit ran sa cho kan pek tu cho he jan midang tang po.
Keeping it from getting wet. Because it'll turn into
No ang
that.
khal don ni che.
For our other animals, like our zebras, horses, or bison, you are more than welcome to feed and pet these guys by hand. To do so, please go underneath the green railing at the bottom. Do not go through the green bars. We don't want your arms to get hurt. When you do feed or pet, watch out
And
for those
do
horns
spit
and
and
keep
swim
your
again.
hands super flat and put the food in your palm. I will let you know when we stop, and I will also repeat these rules. It tends to get a little exciting when the animals come up. Right here where these
Wow.
So these right here are female elk. This is Remy, the dark colored one, and Esther is this light colored one over here. Esther, the scimitar horned oryx. They were extinct in the wild until 2016, and as of now, there's only 40 left in Africa. There's a few thousand left in captivity, and we have one right there.
Look at that.
That's one of our male fallow deer.
Animal
And here
spit.
are both of our
I
camels.
know.
This white one you see, this is Randy, our dromedary. That means he has one hump. This is Fabio, our Bactrian. That means he has two humps. These are the ones you want to watch out for. You cannot touch either camel. Also, a little warning, Randy's pretty tall. He comes past the trees, you'll see those really big antlers. He's got 16 points on his antlers right now. See him right there.
I saw it. The one we saw before.
He's only 8 years old, so those antlers are only going to get bigger. When they do shed, they weigh 40 pounds total. This is Winnie, our blue wildebeest right here.
Aww. What's this? Like a fat one.
That's a bison.
So you can see back there, that is one of our female bison. You are more than welcome to feed and pet the bison and the cows. Looks like you might get those elk too. They did follow us. You can pet any animal here except for the camels. Also, Winnie is that wildebeest right there. She almost never comes up. Most of the keepers here have never pet her. So if you do get the opportunity to feed her, you are very lucky.
Oh, I'm scared.
This is Benny, our
Oh my
male
God,
bison
this
right
is
here.
big. Wow, the puppy baby. It's taking all my food. Oh my God, what's this?
Remember, you can feed and pet these guys. Make sure you go underneath the green railing. Don't go through it. Also, I'll warn you, all the cows you see here have really rough tongues. Feels like
Camels
stampeding, so
do
don't be
too.
surprised if it feels a little weird when they lick you.
Oh my God, they're licking.
Yeah, these ones they bite. This one's okay, but yeah, not these ones.
You see the tongue?
Yeah.
We're
Out
not
here.
there.
Look again.
Under the seat.
And the camel.
Fun?
Oh my God, here.
Don't look at the big tongue.
Oh my God, their neck is so long. Scary. I wanna be for myself. Camel. Sa Hong say ni, sa Hong say. Ah, he's good who is here. He'll enjoy so much. Am I visible?
Sometimes. Sometimes.
Oh, it's so happy. Look, oh my God, the neck's so long. Oh, the other one here.
Give it all to them. Other animals.
Yeah, I'm saving for others.
You're pushing, ain't you? Yeah.
Oh my God. What the hell? Oh God. Lily. So much fun. Vẫn non tắc em thì cho cắn pe pe mấy cái này in lâu ăn tầm xe mua được không? Liệt đuổi ta này. Mà này pek to. Nuam top ni mấy. Are you excited
Oh,
to
man.
see more?
Yeah.
More adventure? Uncle Dan, did you enjoy so far?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is my uncle. He's sweet 16 just now. They're coming. They're coming. Oh, look at that. That looks like a what?
Alrighty guys, you guys are going to get the zebras. This is Tobias right here. Tobias has the black stripes all the way down his legs. Bamba has pure white legs, and Ziggy's a sea donkey. Don't worry, they will go to both sides. We won't leave before you all get to see them.
They're smart. They know where to start from. Like, oh yeah, here. I love it. Oh, they're so cute. I'm stingy now. Am I visible?
A little bit.
There you go, Avan. Let me get a picture of you pet.
Nuam cop na yeah. Hey, no, don't steal my food here. Yeah, I don't have. I have less than yours.
Oh, that is a cool zebra.
I know they're
Brown. Here, sit down.
what?
I think they might come around.
No, I don't want. I have Tori. I will use Tori.
We'll do our best to make sure both sides get the zebras.
Yeah, if you guys
want
wanna split, you can.
We'll try to move them over to you guys. Also, I'll point out underneath the dock, that's where our water buffalo are hanging out. You see that one with
We're
the
gonna
pink
get more,
nose? That is
save
Snowball.
Okay, save it for later. We're gonna go more so we'll get Tories later.
I love the zebras.
Oh my god, why did it away? Oh my god, this big man!
Well, I guess this one's
Ay, bailaw ka lang.
You guys
Zebra. Oh my god, you're the boss, huh?
Yeah, he chases everything.
Yeah, I'm the boss.
We'll see once this female moves if the zebras will come up. You can see the bison do kind of have
You can split if you want.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They run the show, don't they?
No, I'm not feeling
Now go bye-bye.
Buffalo over here that's really righteous mean.
It's zebra. They won't even let the zebra eat it.
No.
No.
I don't want your attention, I want your food.
No, I have
They're afraid of this one. Hey, like me. So, hey, here loud, but they're afraid of this one, so they all of them run away. And violent lands here anymore. So I mean, sa kurso tapon horse. Oh my god. Here, buddy. There we go. Wow.
Is that zebra's tail braided?
one that no one gets to pet.
No.
Okay, maybe.
It's just its stripes, I guess.
Yep.
Maybe show around.
They like to
Yeah.
Need a big video of here.
his tail and then they run it up at the end.
Oh, I saw sakura niya. There's a horse.
Also, this is our last stop. Feel free to use the rest of your food. Looks like you guys are going to get the mini donkeys. This is one of the first wagons I've had these little guys up to, so feel free to pet them and eat them. The llamas and alpacas might come up.
I want to feed them like that. They're like, nope.
Remember, if you are going to feed these guys, go underneath the bottom. Don't go through.
I'm so excited. I had so much fun. It's raining, so it's a little bit complicated for us to make video for you guys.
Does anybody else need food? You need food? Here you go, honey.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I'll say their names again. Alfie is this red one. If you're very quiet and gentle, they'll come up. Usually they don't. And these are the guys that can spit. I've never seen them spit on anybody, so it should be good.
Yeah. Put your hand under the...
Oh, he's got a bad eye. Poor thing.
It's just one day, right?
I feel ticklish when I feed them. The other one, look.
Is he blind? What's wrong with his eye?
It's okay.
Midnight?
No, he's got a bad eye.
His other eye's all red.
It's all bulging out.
See if he'll eat.
Come to mama. Come to mama. Oh, that's a deer. There. Hey, like.
Is it the one on the other side?
It's the right,
Yeah.
the right eye. There, he's coming towards
Now
you.
he's turning.
I'm done.
You dumbass. pihi sa kini mo. Siyang lawa. Lilin feed me kani Lili. Nga Lilin ay dear me kani. They'll eat your ball. Pull the ball inside.
Drive
Kan
through
photo do
yourself.
na. Kan video to hello enjoying the base here. We are going. Bye bye.
Kids couldn't really see much in